Hello everybody, good day wherever you are, good morning, good evening, good night. Guys, today I'm making carrot oil. This is the carrots. I finished grating it now. And you see it? There's the carrots, chopped, grated. Grate it with grater. So I'm going to tip in the carrot in the saucepan. The saucepan is already getting heated. Not on a too high heat. So this is olive oil. I'm gonna be using olive oil. I'm gonna first of all dry up the water from the olive oil, from the carrot first of all. Just keep stirring and make the carrot dry first before I add the oil into it and start frying it properly. So there are various ways people do their own carrot oil, but this is my own way, my own version. You know, dry the water first. Guys, my carrot oil is ready. Look at the carrot oil. I'm gonna tip it in here. That smells very nice, man. Jesus, look at it. Wow. Look at. Look at. So I'm gonna put it here in the bottle. Let it cool down a bit before I put it in the bottle. Look at the carrot oil. Look. The carrot oil. My carrot oil. Ready. Ready.